Hi, good evening, everyone. Well, it's evening here anyway. So this is a quick video of how to upgrade a MSI gl75 or any MSI gaming laptop. This is the inside of the laptop. I like the thermal, the heating sink on it. Really impressive. It doesn't get too hot though. That's one of the good thing. So we got one slot here which is 8 GB, so we're gonna have to have another 16 GB of the slot. So we'll just nicely insert it in and make sure it clicks and sit down properly. That's how simple it is. So the only thing you need to make sure that you get the right memory stick for your the laptop, because not all of the memory stick will work on the laptop. So yeah, that's the best thing to find out about your laptop, which memory stick is compatible with it, and then you're gonna buy that one and use it. So once you insert this one, and let's just check it out what's gonna happen when you turn it on. So I just turned on the computer, and you can see whenever you upgrade the RAM inside the computer or laptop, it takes a while to basically start up. That's because it needs to configure it and adjust that things within the configuration within the system and all that. It will take a bit of time, but as you can see now, we are in the computer, and there we go. Ta-da! So we can go and check if we got the correct memory size RAM in it, and system about. As you can see here, we are inside the computer and all the details are here. Installed RAM is 24 GB, that's 8 plus 16. So that's how we upgrade our memory stick RAM on the computer. That's an MSI gl75 9SD. Sorry, that's the correct model for it. Until then, guys, take care and have a nice Christmas. Take care, enjoy yourself, stay safe. Thank you.